kakantayin mo ngayon?
I will sing Kiss Me.
Miss Michelle, bakit Kiss Me?
Wala lang, favorite ko lang siya.
Okay, let's start na po, ano? Before we start, palapakot muna!
Toning para sa'yo.
Galingan mo yan, ha?
Kiss me out of the burning barney.
Practice na ngayon, practice. Oh, ito, start na. Palakpakan ulit,
Kiss me out of the burning nightly. Inside the green grass, swing the spinning step. You wear those shoes and I will wear that dress. Oh, kiss me beneath the milky twilight. Lead me out of the moonlit floor. Leave your open hand, strike up the band and make the fireplace dance to the moon sparkling. So kiss me. Kiss me. Don't mind the broken tree house. Swing me. Upon its hanging tower. Bring your flower hat. We'll take the tail back in your father's hand. Oh, twilight, lead me out of the moonlit floor. Leave your open hand, strike out the band and make the fireflies dance to the moon sparkling. So kiss me.
Judges. Miss Michelle, sige. Meron tayong comment from the judges.